Now at 10, reopening San Antonio and the entire state of Texas. Tonight, we're learning more about the road ahead from this pandemic as the city and state effort to put people back to work. We have live team coverage tonight. Eyewitness News reporter Vanessa Croy is focusing on Texas, but we will start with my co-anchor Aaron Wright and a look at San Antonio. Aaron?
Yeah, Deb, this plan is set to be data-driven and take nearly every field in San Antonio's economy into consideration and figure out how to put all these people back to work and how to do it safely. At the city and county's nightly coronavirus update, we heard from Dr. Barbara Taylor with UT Health. She's leading the health transition team in charge of determining when and how San Antonio can return to normal. Tonight, she explained the goal is to come up with guidance based on existing health evidence, data, and expertise. The group leading this charge is working to protect at-risk communities while recognizing health and economic inequalities can make this ordeal worse for some groups. As Dr. Taylor explained, they're not looking to reinvent the wheel.
We're looking at different models. We're also looking at, there are many plans out there. So there's a federal plan, the state of Texas is working on a plan. So there are a lot of different resources to guide us. We're gathering all of those as well as local expertise to create our guidance.
So what's next? This group is currently gathering that data and set to unveil it in 7 days. From there, we'll learn the plan on how to get every sector of our economy here in San Antonio back to work. Deb, back to you.
All right, Aaron. Governor Greg Abbott plans to slowly reopen the Texas economy with the help of a strike force. To lead the way for opening Texas restaurants, a San Antonio man has been selected. Nearly 700,000 Texan restaurant employees have lost their jobs or been furloughed. The Restaurant Association says owners and employees are in a desperate situation. Eyewitness News reporter Vanessa Croy looks into the plan to reopen Texas dining rooms.
It's just red ink, as you can see on it.
A daily sales report illustrating devastating damage.
We've got to get our employees back to work and get people back coming into our restaurants if we're going to survive.
Bayless Miller explains the impact the coronavirus pandemic has had on Bill Miller Barbecue and the entire restaurant industry, which employs 1.2 million Texans.
It hurts to have limited business like this. We've got to get reopened and soon.
Governor Greg Abbott appointed Miller to the state's new strike force, charged with finding a way to reopen the Texas economy.
It's not just Bill Miller's. We all got to get our businesses reopened and running. And we got to do it in a responsible manner.
The family-owned barbecue restaurants are a staple across South Texas. Miller has helped run the company since the 1960s. He's now using that experience to create a plan for a soft reopening of Texas dining rooms. According to the plan, employees would have to wear gloves and masks at all times. Restaurants would be required to post signage. If you have a cough or fever, don't come in. And a 6-foot spacing between tables, with only 2 people allowed at each one.
Unless you're a family unit, you'd be allowed to sit together.
A cautious course of action to save Texas restaurants.
I think it'd mean a lot to get our people back working again. People are ready to go back to work, but in a safe manner still. We can't be irresponsible.
Vanessa joins us live. Vanessa, if the governor is on board with this plan, what's a timeline for reopening restaurants?
Well, Deb, Miller said that he is meeting with the strike force on Friday to present this plan to the governor. Now, this is ahead of a scheduled press conference on Monday where the governor will address the state. Miller said he's pushing for the soft reopening of Texas restaurants to happen on Monday, May 4th. Reporting live tonight, Vanessa Croy, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
Vanessa, thank you.